Good evening, children. So in previous session we have completed exercise 2.4, right? Now let us continue with exercise 2.5. So question number 1, which is greater? So here they have given some decimals. So we have to find out which is a greater decimal among those two decimal numbers. Okay. Now here 0.5 or 0.05. So we have to find out which is greater decimal number in these two. So first we have to make it like decimals. So here we have, after decimal point towards right, we have only one digit. So here we have two digits, right? So we have to convert these two into like decimals. So to convert unlike decimal into like decimals, we have to add 0, right? So here we have only one digit after decimal, so that we have to put one more 0 after the number, right? So now after decimal number, decimal point, we have two digits here. And also, so here we have, in this number also we have two digits, right? Now let us compare. So this place is ones place, right? So after decimals towards right hand side, that is tens place, first is tenth and this one is hundredth, right? Tenth place and hundredth place. So now here ones place, tenth place and hundredth place, right? Now ones place are same in both numbers, right? So here also we have 0, and in this number also ones place is 0. So both are 0 is equal to 0. Now compare next place, that is 10th, TENTHS, 10th place. So here we have 5, and in this number we have 0, right? So 5 is greater than 0, right? So that 0.50 is greater than 0.05, right? So that, so which is greater now here? 0.5 is greater. Got it, children? How to compare the decimal numbers? Yes. Next question number 2. 0.07 or 0.05. So both are like decimals, right? Now compare the digits. So 0.7 and 0.5. Now ones place are, we have zeros, right? Now compare next 10th place. So here we have 7 and here we have 5. So 7 is greater than 5. Therefore 0.7 is greater than 0.5. So here the which is greater? So 0.7 is greater. Got it, children? Yes. Next question number 3. 7 or 0.7. So here we have only one whole number. So this is not decimal number, right? So this is decimal. So we have to convert this into decimal number. So 7 means 7.0. So we are after decimal we have to put 0. Now 0.7. Now both are like decimals, right? Now compare here. So here we have, in ones place 7 is there. Here in ones place we have 0, right? So 7 is greater than 0. Therefore 7.0 is greater than 0.7. So here the greater decimal is 7 is greater. Okay, children. Next question number 4. 1.37 or 1.49. Now let us compare. Both are like decimals. Like decimals means after decimal point, so the decimal places should be same. So in this number also we have, after two decimal number are there, here also we have two decimal places, right? Now let us compare. So once in ones place we have 1, here also we have 1, right? So 1 is equals to 1. Now compare next decimal place, next place, that is tenths. Here we have 3 and here in the tenth place we have 4. So 3 is less than 4. So 1.37 is less than 1.49. So now which is greater here? 1.49 is greater. Got it, children? And the next question number 5, 2.03, 2.30. Both are like decimals, right? Yes. So 2.03 and 2.30. Now compare first ones place. So in ones place we have 2 here. So here also we have 2, right? So 2 is equals to 2. Now compare tenths place. So here we have 0, and in this number in tenths place we have 3. So 0 is less than 3, right? So that 2.03 is less than 2.30. So by this 2.30 is greater. Okay, children. So next question number 6, 0.8 or 0.88. Now this is after decimal number we have only one decimal place. So here we have two decimal place. So we have to convert this into like decimals. To convert like decimals we have to add 0, right? Yes. Now here we have two places, and in this number also we have two places. Now compare. So here we have ones place. In ones place 0 is there. So here also in ones place we have 0. Now compare tenths place. So here we have 8, and here also we have 8, right? So 8 is equals to 8. Next compare next place, that is 0. This is the hundreds place, right? So hundreds place we have 0. Here we have 8. So that 0 is less than 8. So therefore which is greater now? 0.88 is greater. Got it, children? Yes.